3 ways to have a great relationship with your boss. You spend more than half of your waking hours in your job and a lot with your boss. So definitely you must try to have a great relationship with your boss. And here are 3 ways which will help you do that. Number 1 is understand their expectations. Be empathetic and try to understand what is it that they are looking for. Understand their work thought process and what is it that they want you to achieve. Align your work goals with them so that you are on the same page and accordingly you can tailor your work. Number 2, have a healthy conversation with your boss. Try to understand where is the person coming from, what is their mindset, what is their belief system, what is their values, what's their thought process, because that is where you'll be able to connect heart to heart. So make sure you have a heart-to-heart conversation frequently and try to resolve if there is any conflict that might come up in the work. And believe me, most of your conflicts can be resolved if you are ready to have this heart-to-heart conversation. Number 3 is set your boundaries clearly and communicate to your boss. Now, when you are having your heart-to-heart conversation and when you are trying to understand your boss's expectation, then only communicate that these are your boundaries, these are your work timings, because if you are able to decide it for yourself and communicate to your boss in advance, he or she will also respect that. So make sure you communicate it and follow it unless there's an extreme emergency at work. So if you're struggling to deal with office politics and boss issues, register for my Smart Hour workshop now. The link is given in the bio or in the comments below. Register now.